How to change font size in Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you through on how we can change our font size in Facebook. So if you're wondering how you can do that, it is super easy. You just need to follow these steps. So first of all, go ahead and launch the Facebook app on your device. So unfortunately, we don't have the built-in feature where we can, directly make the text or the font size bigger in Facebook. But what we can do instead is, if you're on an Android device, head over and close the Facebook first of all and head over to the main settings of the device. After reaching there, you're going to look up for the option called display here and go to the font size and style section. Just go ahead and tap on it, and you're going to increase the font size if you want to make it big. So what that happens is, if you make your font size bigger, it will appear, the font size in your Facebook will also be appearing bigger than it comparatively is. You can see the font size has been changed. So if you want to make it smaller again, you're going to go back to settings, follow the same routine, and you're going to head back to your Facebook again. And that is it. That is the only way we have possible right now that helps us to change our font size in Facebook right now. So follow the steps and you should be able to change your font size in Facebook. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe and leave any comments if you have any comments available. And that's it. So I will see you in the next one.